Elections here are being conducted under heavy security presence like the military, the police and operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). They are all deployed here to monitor the process. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, who cast his vote in his 012 unit in Ajia ward in Jimeta, adjudged the process as peaceful but accused the INEC of discrediting itself.
Honestly, INEC is already a discredited, organization. So let's hope they will improve on their past performance.
One of the major things people will be expecting is to see transmission of results in this election. Are we hoping that will happen?
I'm not quite hopeful because I have not seen measures they have taken to improve their past performances.
How would you rate INEC so far from their performance 3 weeks ago, from what you've seen now?
Still below expectations.
The Deputy Inspector General of Police, DIG Ali Janga, who was deployed to monitor elections in the Northeast, has assured that the security was intensified to ensure peaceful conduct of the exercise.
The whole entire Adamawa state is peaceful. Our policemen are out to provide adequate security for the election today, inshallah. If they come out, we are ready for them. The first election 3 weeks ago was peaceful. Same thing, this election, by the grace of God, with the support of Almighty Allah and the support of good people of Adamawa State, who will conduct this election peacefully. Any person that comes out to foment trouble, we are ready for that person.
However, in some polling units, the voter turnout was low compared to the last presidential and National Assembly elections held on 20 February 2023. Not less than 2,196,566 voters are expected to vote, while the police had deployed 12,212 personnel. The military deployed 1,400 soldiers at various locations for the elections.